Namaste.
Namaste. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Today we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi over here, and for that auspicious occasion, we are going to be presenting you with our Besan Laddu. Anaaya is going to be helping me because it requires a lot of stirring and she's really good at it. She's mastered it by now, and she also decorated her Ganesha in her art class today. So she has a special way of making the Besan Laddu, and let's see how that goes. Yes, Anaaya?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with half a cup of ghee. This is homemade ghee, but you can definitely get from a store. We make a lot of ghee at home because our kids enjoy it so much with all their food. In this hot ghee, we are going to put a little bit of elaichi powder, just a tad bit. We'll put more later. Anaaya, do you like Besan Laddu?
I love Besan Laddu.
Yeah? Do you like them small or big?
I would prefer mine small, but I'm sure olders would like it big, round.
How does Papa like it?
Big, round, and with nuts.
Yeah, and with nuts. Yes, he loves cashews. No, actually. He loves kishmish in his Besan Laddus.
And
So
Mama
this
loves
This is 2 cups of besan in here, and yes, I love cashews. And we have to start stirring it very quickly. The key to Besan Laddu is not letting it burn. We have to constantly stir it. Yes, Anaaya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the thing about it, this dish is that it's so easy because all there is to do is add the ingredients, mix and mix and mix, and then at the end when it's done, we just roll it into a ball and add what we want, like cashews or any other type of nuts that we want.
Well, right now I have almonds over here, slivered almonds and raisins, kishmish.
Once it's ready, it will turn brown, so you'll know when it's ready.
And we have to actually roast it till such time that the besan starts leaving the ghee. The ghee actually starts showing up on the surface.
I love Besan Laddu because it's so yummy and most times it's made and
You know who was the
it's so
first one
easy
to
make.
make it over here? Nanima. Nanima taught me how to make the Besan Laddu. She makes it super yum. Even Papa loves the Besan Laddu that Nanima makes. You know that?
I'm sure.
Yeah. We are missing Nanima over here because it's locked down and she hasn't been able to come to visit us in a very long time. Yes?
If I had one wish, I would wish for this coronavirus all to get over and so I can meet my friends, see my cousins, grandparents, my aunt and uncle, all my families around, and also my friends.
Okay, so we have to carry on stirring this on really low heat because we don't want our besan to burn. This requires a lot of patience, a lot of time. It will take at least about half an hour for the color to become nice and brown. Some people like it yellow, so they put haldi in it, they put saffron in it. I don't put saffron. I like the color a little earthy. Varun really enjoys it when it has a nice brown color to it. Amara, do you want to come and have a look? Just show the lovely color over here. And also everyone can see that the ghee has separated from the besan. At this point I can't leave it even for a second because it will burn. Right now it's the right brown color that I need. Can we put this water in here, Maru?
It smells delicious, and I'm sure it tastes more delicious.
Oh, smells good, right, Anaaya?
Yum.
Yum.
I can't wait to taste it.
Heat off. Yeah, but first we're going to offer it to Ganpati Papa Moria. Yes, it's going to be Prashadam for Ganeshji. Ganeshji's favorite dessert is modak. Did you know that? Yeah. Okay, so our besan is ready. Let's take it out. That's the color that I would like. It's nice light brown. And we have to wait for it to cool down just a tad bit before we can add the sugar. Spreading it is just going to make it cool a little faster. There. And I'm going to keep it on for just 5 minutes and then we will add the sugar to it. I think it's cool enough now. We can add our kishmish. And let's put our little bit of elaichi powder, just a tad bit. And then goes in our sugar. Yeah. So we have 1 cup of sugar for 2 cups of besan. Yeah. Let's mix it. Okay. So here you have it. Our besan is ready and we're going to make these nice laddus in the form of modaks. Here our modak is ready. We're going to shape the rest of them. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Thank you for watching. I hope Ganeshji likes our besan laddus that we make, and I hope you like this video and make sure to comment how it turned out for you and subscribe. Don't let it be red.